got part 3 again. Part 3 with the ducks. Got a lot of seagulls, a lot of sprecks, and a lot of girls. Got a female behind me and a male. Ralph, Patrick, and Stuart. Daisy, Manila, and Melissa. We got Drake right here. Donald Duck and Donald. We got 3 boys. This is scary! No! This is hurt! I don't want to do this to me! I'm sure you don't eat me!
Don't get me!
This is the ducks. Okay, I've got girl ducks and male ducks. I'm sure he's on. I'm sure you got male here. Hi YouTube! This is my last video. Hi YouTube! Okay, the Mighty Ducks! Okay, Mighty Ducks! Zara! You got 2 minutes left! Then comes Mr. Pageant! Great! They didn't come from the farm, they just ran on the nyack! So you don't fly in my face! It's scary. Okay, Duck Gang!
Okay.
Okay, Duck Gang!
What do
Gonna
you
say
want?
goodbye!
Is it
Duck
like-
Gang!
What do you want? Do not bite your friend. Don't bite your friend.
What's his name? What's his name?
I don't know his name.
Call him Donald Duck and Daisy Duck.
Daisy Duck. Do not bite your friend.
Right?
Do not bite your friend. What do you want? It's empty. It's empty.
It's empty, guys. Let's go. The car's out.